Introducing the Dualit 3-in-1 coffee machine. Create barista quality coffee at home with Dualit's unique 3-in-1 concept, giving you the total freedom to choose from quick and convenient patented NX capsules, mess-free ESE pods, and an unlimited choice of exotic ground coffee blends from around the world, all available with your weekly shop. Dualit's patented Pure Pour uses precision extraction to deliver a smooth flow of espresso for a coffee shop crema that baristas envy. Enjoy a frothy coffee with the thermoblock heating system. Continuous froth, hot water and steam are yours instantly on demand. Switching between frothing and making coffee is made easy with automatic cool down for cup after cup of no-delay coffee shop quality drinks in your own home. Available in 3 sophisticated shades. Become an at-home barista with Dualit. The Dualit 3-in-1 coffee machine. The secret to your kitchen coffee shop.